Good morning, guys. Today we are going to learn how to install the Magento on the local host. So Magento just released the Magento version 2.3.3. It's the latest version, and there are the three format: zip, tar, gchat, and the tar bchat2. So I just download the tar.gchat file. You can download anyone what you want to do. Right now I'm using the Ubuntu operating system, and here I downloaded the Magento 2.3.3. so I'm just going to extract it here in the where www.html directory. It's started. So it will take around 30 seconds. So just wait till then. Meanwhile we go to the database and create a new database, M23. So I am creating with this name because I am using the same version of the Magento, so for my convenience I use it. You can create the database with any name what you like. So it's almost done. It's extracting. Okay, now I'm going to change the name to my ease. Okay, now just go to the terminal and come to this directory M223, and here is the your directories. So just go to the front. I'm using the PHP 7.2.22 version. So just go to the browser, localhost, and M233. M233 is the folder name what I created in which I extracted the Magento. So just run this. So it's saying that the localhost is currently unable to handle this request. So for this we need to give the permission chmod -r777 where generated pub app etc. Sorry, need to add the sudo. Okay, now if you will run this, what is that? Oh, it's my terminal issue actually. Let's go to the where www.html M233. So here this is the permission issue actually. Sudo chmod -r777 where generated pub and app etc, and enter your root password. So if you will see again, so here is the permission. Earlier it was not there. So just run. Now it's ready. Agree and set up Magento. Okay, start readiness check. So here Magento check your PHP version and the extension of the PHP. Sometime there are some extension that whenever you install the PHP then doesn't install by default, like curl and soap and zip. So you need to install it manually. after installing the PHP or installing the Apache. It's totally depend on you which server you are using, Jamp, Lamp or PHP FPM, etc. So now it's ready to the next. Let me show you one command if there are some fresher maybe get the issue, so they can install the PHP extension like this. If suppose you are getting the issue that you have not installed the PHP extension curl, so how you will install the PHP curl? So just go to the browser and type how to install the PHP extension curl, and just go to any URL. There are a lot of, so like this you can install. Suppose you have a version 7.2 like this. Here I'm using the 7.2, so you can just type sudo apt get space install PHP 7.2. instead of 7.0 you have to add the 7.2 hyphen curl. Okay, so let's come back to our projects. So here we are ready to move ahead, so just click to the next, and here it will ask the server host. It's a local host and my username is the root. You put your username and my password is the admin@23, and database name I just created here. My database name is M233, so just enter here and then go next, and it will show you the store front name and the admin URL. So it's the front name and it's the URL. So for my ease I'm just removing it and want to go ahead with only admin. So go to the next, and here is the time zone. I will put India time zone, Asia Kolkata, and put the INR because I'm from India. So just click the next, and here you can in admin, and will put your email and put the password admin@3. It's not the same password what I'm using for the MySQL. Here the password you want to use for your admin panel. So just click next. So it's display you are ready, so just install now. It will take around 12 to 13 minutes to install all the Magento to your local system. So here I also show you that it's starting dumping the data into your database. So here is the 22, and just refresh again. Now it's a 32 tables creating. So it has been started and it will take 12 to 13 minutes. So I'm just going to pause my video, and whenever it will complete, and then we'll come back again. Okay guys, it's installed, and I got the success message here. So this window will display what is your username and email ID what you just put a few minutes back, and it's your password, and it's your store address, and it's your admin address. So it's your encryption key. You can copy it and save it somewhere in place, and it's again now here is saying that the remove write permission from the directory. So first let's do this. Just remove the 777 permission, and we will give it to the 644 permission. Sudo chmod -r 655. Okay, 655, it's fine. App etc. So now just click on the front end URL and click on the admin URL. So let me just quickly show you the admin and the front end. And here it's done already, so just close it. Here is your front end. It's by default Luma theme Magento provide. There are basically two default theme Magento provide. One is Luma and another one is the blank theme. Admin free. Just log in into the database. Into the admin. Wow, congratulations, now you are successfully installed the Magento on your system. So here is your front end, here is your admin panel. So in my next video we will proceed further step by step. We will see how to import the products, how to create the category, how to change your logo, and I will tell you that how create or develop the custom themes for the Magento, and we will develop some custom module also. So quickly let me show you the theme what we just talked. Then there are the two themes Magento provide. So here is the themes, that is a blank theme and is a Luma theme. So these are the two default theme. Based on these theme we will develop a custom themes. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this, please share it and like it. So let's see you again in next video. Thank you and bye bye.